In this village, it is custom that every Christmas a decorated train goes through the village to bring presents and sweets.
During the celebration, all the houses were robbed.
I'll hire my best man.
Christmas, I don't want to do.
Don't make such a fuss about it and finally start.
So, where were you during the festival?
At the Christmas party.
That's understood.
It was wonderful.
That was clear. What was stolen from you?
My emergency savings.
My diamond.
My nice gold necklace.
Good.
And?
I've got an idea.
So?
The train. It arrived 30 minutes too late. And after that, bandits had only a short span of time. Only a few knew about the delay, including, of course, the conductor. And as I've heard, he should have behaved suspiciously the last few days.
And you think that he was it?
Yup. I don't have proof yet, but tomorrow I'm going to visit him.
We will see.
Hello, what's up?
Hello, I'm Officer Brones, and I'm investigating yesterday's break-in during the party.
Yo, is that right? The wonderful Christmas, ruined it.
Oh, yeah. Well, do you mind if I ask you some questions?
Sure, come in.
So, what time did the train leave?
Had to be about 6 p.m. Unfortunately a bit too late because of some problems.
And why this delay?
My friend Herbert was late because of that.
Who is this Herbert?
My buddy, he was the one who threw candy off the train, dressed as Santa Claus. He lives 2 houses from the town hall, if you want to question him either.
Thank you, then have a nice day. Hey you, aren't you the security chief at the party yesterday, Mr. Limbers?
Limbers, yes, that's me. And you're the cop, Brones, right? I've read a lot of good things about you.
Thank you.
You are investigating the case, right?
Yep.
You know, the conductor, he seems suspicious to me. He's met some bad people lately, so I wanted to visit him.
I'm still unsure about him. I wanted to ask this Herbert first now.
I don't think the guy has anything to do with it. But just do it. Good luck.
Thank you. Too bad, he's not at home.
Brones, please help me.
What happened?
The conductor, he knocked me down.